Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. Anyways, today's video, we're going to be making some fried sweet corn. Hold on, and I'll show you what everything is. Okay, here's the ingredients. We do 3 cans of sweet corn, 1 can of cream style corn, approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. It will go directly right into there. So, let's get this party started. Okay, it's time to put on all the ingredients for this fried sweet corn. Put down 1 can of cream style corn, 1 can of regular corn, 2 cans of regular corn, and 3. Boy, I almost missed that trash can, but I'm pretty good at tossing and getting into it. Then you top it off with the sugar. And then you top it off with the vanilla. About that much. So now let's go take it over to the stove. Be right back. Okay. When you're at the stove, make sure you stir everything in together. Now, you're going to see a lot of liquid forming because of the sugar and the liquid from the regular corn and the liquid from the cream corn. That's fine. What it's going to be doing is going to be caramelizing as we fry it. Now, stir it in really good so that sugar gets everywhere to help with the caramelization. But as you can see right now, it's in liquid format. So let me fix my camera here now. There we go. You got to keep stirring. Let it bubble for a little bit, so to cause a little bit of caramelization on the bottom, and then stir. Stir it up. Spread it out. This takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes on medium heat. You don't want to put it on high because you don't want to burn it. You want it to caramelize. So I will come back in mid-part when you can see how it's doing. Alright, so be right back. Okay, I just want you to see how it looks like when you're about midway through. See all the liquid, but you can see it caramelizing on the bottom. You're stirring that up. Oh, it smells good too. Oh yeah, there's a lot of caramelization right in there. And it's starting to turn a little bit different color. You'll notice it. So, be right back at the end and show you what it's done. Here's another way to tell that it's almost done. See all that caramelization that I'm scraping up? That tells you it's almost done. It sticks to the spoon like that, and it smells so good. Okay, we're getting close to the end here. And this is where you do a lot of stirring, knocking this caramelization off into here. You want those brown specks of caramelization throughout this corn. Oh my God, it's so good. Hold up, some just fell off. Ow, that's hot. Oh God, it smells good. And of course, you know, if you're diabetic, you cannot eat this, not with this much sugar in it. Shouldn't be eating corn anyways, because corn is one of the bad things for diabetics. I usually have only a couple bites. There we go. Because I gotta taste it. But it's too hot when it first gets off the stove, so I wait till lunchtime. I might put a couple tablespoons of it on my plate. believe it or not, it's done. Look at all that caramelization still in there. It'll still cook some more when you take it off the stove for a little bit. So you make sure you keep stirring it or it'll burn. As we know, these cast irons, they stay hot. Alright. I'll be right back. Now, that's a better picture of it. Completely and finalized, done. Look at all this caramel with it. Oh, it is so good. I want to thank you all for watching this video for Cast Iron Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I may just have something else for you. It all depends on what I got planned. But if not, again, check out the playlist that I've got created for all other Cast Iron Wednesday people. They usually have something going on. They're awesome cooks, chefs, and they do great work with their cast irons and so forth. Even we even have a Dutch oven series. Now, if I had a Dutch oven on the boat, I would be cooking in a Dutch oven and posting to that as well. So, but I will create a playlist even for Dutch oven cooking, and I'll connect everybody to that, and just check them out. If you're really into some of this southern cooking and so forth, check them out. They're awesome cooks. So thank you again, everyone, for watching this video. If you're new, please click on subscribe, click on that bell, and click on the thumbs up. No, and if you didn't like it, go ahead, click on the thumbs down. I'm okay with that. Can't please everybody. No, but you all have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.